Hello and welcome to the Walking Talking Topic on Percentages, question number 7 with me, Mr. Barton. Now, you know I always like to end this Walking Talking Topic series with a dodgy question, and here we go for this one. A person's taxable income is calculated as follows. Taxable income is gross income, take off pension, take off other allowances. Raphael's here, he has a gross income of $57,500, pays that to pensions and that to other allowances. Raphael pays tax on the first 20% pays a tax at the rate of 20% of the first 35 grand of his taxable income, and a rate of 40% on the rest of it. Calculate the total amount of tax that Raphael pays. Now, there's no hard maths in this, but there is a fair bit of work to do and a lot of reading and a lot of structuring. So let's do it. Before we can start to work out how much tax he pays, what we need to get our head around here first is how much taxable income Raphael has. So let's get that first. So I'm going to write down here taxable income. Now that's going to be equal to gross income. Well, we know that, $57,500. Take off his pension contribution of $5,175. Take off other allowances of $7,475. Alright, let's bang that into the calculator and see how much taxable income Raphael has. $57,500. Take off $5,175. Take off $7,475. Now, one slip here and it's all going to go wrong, so just be careful. That's £44,850 that Raphael has taxable income. Now, the first $35,000 of that he pays at 20%. So let's get the 20% amount. So we've got $44,850, take off $35,000. Let's just get that done. $35,000, and that's going to leave us with $9,850. So he is paying 20% on 35 grand. But then the remainder, this 9,850, is paying 40% on. So 40% on 9,850. So how much tax is he paying on his first 35 grand, and how much tax is he paying on his 9,850? Well, he pays 20% on 35 grand, so that's 35,000, and let's find 20% of that. So let's times it by 0.2. 35 grand times by 0.2, and that's going to say that he's paying, oh god, thinking that was seemed a bit cheap there, but that's just 3,500 I've put in there. So let's try again. 35 grand times by 0.2, 7,000. So he's paying 7,000 on 35,000 at 20%, and he's paying 40% at the extra bit, the 9,850. So 9,850, and he's paying 40% tax on that. So sorry, I should have written that down. 9,850 times by 0.4 to find 40%, and that's going to be 3,940. So Raphael's total tax is going to be equal to the sum of those. So the 7 grand that he pays on his first 35,000, sorry, not times, plus the 3,940 that comes from his additional income. And if we add those together, plus the 7 grand, we're going to get ourselves a total tax bill for Raphael of £10,940. No tricky maths in there, but just really important how you set things out.